You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So how do you say the name of these manga series? If you're here to learn more names from anime and mangas, let's stay tuned, because I've got loads to learn here. So this literally means tomorrow's Joe. Okay, so Joe is the name of the character. Ashita. Ashita is how tomorrow is said in Japanese. How you say tomorrow in Japanese is ashita. The no, just the possessive, just to say, it's like the apostrophe S, tomorrow's Joe. Okay, so it's ashita no, ashita no. So no meaning that Ashita belongs to Joe. Okay, ashita no Joe. Ashita no Joe. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.